But welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the Elementor editor basics. If you're building a WordPress website and want full control over your page design without touching any code, mastering Elementor's core features is absolutely essential. Let's jump right in and get you started. First, head over to your WordPress website and log in to the admin dashboard. Once you're in, look at the left menu and click on Pages. This is where you'll manage all the pages on your site. From here, select Add Page to create a brand new page from scratch. You'll now see a field at the top that says Enter Title here. Go ahead and type in a title like My First Page or whatever you'd like to call it. This title helps you identify the page in your WordPress dashboard and can also be used as your page heading. Next, locate the blue button that says Edit with Elementor. It's usually positioned just above the default WordPress editor. Click on it to launch the Elementor interface. This is where the real magic happens, as Elementor gives you a live visual editor that updates in real time as you build. Once Elementor loads, you'll see a gray canvas in the middle of your screen. To start building, click the plus icon, which is labeled Add New Section. This creates a container where you'll place all your content elements. Now turn your attention to the left panel. You'll see a variety of widgets listed under the Widgets section. You can either scroll through them or use the search bar to find what you need. For this example, search for or browse until you find the heading widget. Once you've found it, simply drag the heading widget from the left panel and drop it into the column on your canvas. This is how you add elements to your page in Elementor. It's all drag and drop, making it incredibly intuitive. After dropping the widget onto the canvas, the left panel will switch to show the settings for that specific widget. Look for the field labeled Title and type in your text, something like Welcome to my site. You'll see your text appear live on the canvas as you type. Finally, to preview how your page looks to visitors, click the eye icon at the upper right of the screen. This preview button lets you see your changes in real time before publishing, ensuring everything looks exactly how you want it. And that's it. You've just learned the basics of using the Elementor editor to build your first WordPress page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.